Badwam City, the reso no and Cassia Bomeda say, Uguswa Adom TV and some the doors of Padobati no so Cashibi and say, what my talk home Pempana, the Spare Parts Dealers Association, the Football Quambo, say a year African Free Continental Trade Area, say, Jedi, Monshayano, one shed now when you're so emphasis, and so now beto just say a year upon see a chibano, say, yes, a bino, a brand brand with Jessica Meyer, Sabia, who one will be money, you know, to me a Gina Brandy. Now, you may quite a power man was one prayer, you know, more day, I want some soil, electricity company of Ghana, Chimwa, one more Gina for console Jessica, and a can of man for dinner. Wajimu Ebrofa, waiting someone who will be named this almost Bedroom. So, Cassia Demo Live or DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. We share me a friend. I'm not sure, but address a wife in Chibono to so amount. Therefore, a day Emma a Yabuso kind Spare Parts Dealers Association, and as a dealers no matter one more to a car home pemperadiano, a gifty and anafiano. No, the other shady and Cocobon Samaquama, one more to a car home pemperadiano, one more. A walk when you answer was strata. African Free Continental Trade Area no empanyfo ahwe na wo mo ade abebo adze se behwe na ma bibrema mining na adwade ho nsem akọwano wano no wo mo eto oka ho mpempena de no wo hu ne se we ya akwanya ma beda hodoma ma wo mo na woni so faso Aboso kan Spare Parts Dealers sisi wenye nkranhye bi se odi wo ho ebehya Africa Continental Free Trade Area dwumedi aban edeba ye no emu sebeyi a wadwuma ne betimi akonanim hwehwefo panyine ya woda Aboso kan Spare Parts Dealers ano eye gift na anafia no na wokyire mu a se dwadifo ede wo ho ehye AFCT enimu a ebeboa amoatere wadwuma ne mu akwachire wode sanse mu etudwo wabra wo pampanimfo a wo mo ena ebeda ekoyi ano
after Badwam nti me bomode ase me bo adwatifo no biade na ni akire after ebeboa pa midi kan pa ya de midi kan am nema ba ya ebeboa ama African countries ya di yehu dwa na yempuntu akoyanim after ba beboa yen o say after say ubeto bibia fi any African country now di kwa especially say eba ye kromo ha you have a reduced duty and only a better so amount na intesu ebeye kakra consist ebedu 10 years no na akodu 0 until after e baso be boy to bia for an after
and wachi and titire ne awode koya no Henry Ochre se e wo sensa kraye eba Aboso kanfo edwa wo mu edie no emu
your challenges bebre ho amaba no be se mehwe na me ne mpanyifo executives Council of Elders, Pinifo in Atrasi, near to Twadrin, na Aboso kan koso ene hiaye, ene dwedifo empuntu na enunti botan women ni so no. So me pese me boa, especially youth ne so, na Aboso kan CC, BCC hama high effect, obi aba na abe krabehwe. Yemfri dwade ne enko apomode mu nsemu sabe apomode hu nsem begina brane wo mayi mu enti no ena panyina wono no da Christian Health Association of Ghana no Dr. Peter Kwame Yeboa wodi ade hwede mu ode ato adwumekwa ya passport apomode nsi achiba no eso National Health Insurance Authority no sese kobase obi ade ye wono mu krata ne bi ekọ ayaresabia ya na sade ayaresabia no hwe no ma ne nnuro no saba ne ma no ho ye ha na se bo no otua no wano bebra ama ye National Health Insurance Scheme no etumi agina brand nti ye ka no ya na hyemu che no wonhwe na wonyimfiri o se be ye adwuma na wo ye no bekoyi
National Health Insurance Scheme say nkwanchen adefe eno ani sika health insurance scheme e bon home modern na mom ensipe ahokyere kakra e wo ho omu pem so na mom danka de ebe pepa ne se bosumi bia ye adwuma na nanka yatwa ye ka enya bi di atoduru ye bi aye niema ayarefo nso so e manesa ti ye bompa ye se e free na ekro ya aban betimi asiesie ne ho yi na apomdene de ugya ate ho anya yi man be yi anu ani apomdene na moa bi a o se ye de boa National Health Insurance Authority no aban de abo na sabi aban de omu how ene omu hia aye sononko donation number 1 priority so da be ye beboa na National Health Insurance Authority no wotimi aye na dwuma a ehia se National Health Insurance Authority etimi twia ayarsabia for kantema ne yeso ebetimi anya hoden anya duro anya mpemprane ahwe ayarefo na sa amane sa na dia hokyere abrɛ yen sabi ahokyere so ba e dia ni brɛ na eba enti eno an ye beka ebe busumi ben siani eka kakra wo ho insurance scheme eno a ene kurokura apomgene ensu aye so aba abɔ no ho modern na mom se ebetum pon a ebesre ontria National Health Insurance Authority for Kantem no muso munya modern entria cabinet
Ejimekwa ya power so hwe ye nyina mahode ho nsem so Electricity Company of Ghana na say no de betu dwa se abanfo ne ejimekwa hodo bi di wo mo ka 5.7 billion na wo mo beti asimonte so no kwa akwajeje wo no musika na wakeka wo mo ka kwara betu dwa se sika 5.7 billion no emu 3.1 billion de wo no ensa ka no panyina wo no era wo ye managing director Samuel Dubik Mahama na wo chere se wo mo a osika ni bi da so hye wonto no wo de hye ya wodo agu akwa mu hwe kwane obefa so atua ne kakra na aban sika wo pede abo man ne ho bra no won sabeke ne nyina
sisi an say akaye be 1 something billion I wa about here was say beji make 1 something because exercise no could see February it is sisi bills ni bi asa ede asaba ntia was say asa ede ejiji ya adwin no ye be start month ending bia ye be say revenue mobilization exercise. Now month ending ye be yes so ye be say know your customer because ye be say gigi obi details near their building your database no. Eno kodan che no ECG ye decide say every na eko no ye be bibi e friend loss reduction program. Loss reduction program no as it say meter companies local meter companies no buy omo manufacture ama ye nya meter ama obia. Ti ye be mia ni ne omo aye adwuma na nya meter so ama obia.
Wasanso edi tudwa se ne be ya womanfo kwiti kwan a womo efa so edi twen kane a ebe brase no womo de nhihye bi egu akwan mu a sese womo ebe hwe se mita womanfo edi di dwuma no womo be hwe so etua
me pese obi ati asese prepaid meter ye ready prepaid meter enti e ma won nya onwanwa se obi be ba ofie be ka se oba be ready o prepaid meter if you say ye ready meter na ye betimi ye hu o consumption enti mesre efri eneko your billing system no a ready prepaid meter so enti so bi ba ofie so be ready prepaid meter mpacho manokwan
yemfri ho na yenko ni mana emebunu bi wo kyeremu a ni ma no asade empadifo yi wani efri ho wato ehoromom puntuo no ajeje mu na wo so ka Ghana ho bi ti ho akohia se wo mo mampadifo hu no se wani abrepampu djudjuma no waye kwado wo twa bia no nti wo mo ate wo ho agumonten so de kojan ebi abo nti de bi abo wonsa ya wo no maye ye kyere ya wo kyere se ayawa so ismensi no assembly no wa ma no eye na wo twa mako nan wo hawo ekoso woni ma no wonhwe no nso
Nima Road at the Lache. So when you look various areas like Newtown, Mamobi, all the roads have been fixed except Nima. Why?
Your co-election or almost starting. Share other constituency almost starting and yes as root of the we are honum or ball. You are still now ahanu omaja nusa say ahanu asabi. Aden so who say your president or Nima, your vice or Nima. Yen hu aden womu gaya na
obia sorry aka se ye baba ye buntu juma bi amani mafo enu nti na ye si debi adu tam ye se ni mafo ye nyina ye sorry oba emma ye nyina ye sorry ne ye nkasa
back we ni ebe ya e chekura 6 months to 8 months and him say yen we but we are getting to almost 3 years yen we park we enti emma ye problem
enwachi enapenimpa wodekwo ya no Alhaji Masud Maga editu dwase wo ma assembly empenimfo na wotwe nan na nsachiraye emra wo mu akwantempon so ene dwumadi ahodo a wo ye no enye sade a obeto a wo ye kire no eso.
And they've seen how deplorable the condition of Nima is. Sanitation is very poor, not to talk of the roads, not even cycles. We urge everyone who is concerned about Nima to please come to our aid.
Oni nyina mu no mansiri krachi Haji Salma Adom eje won krata no che won bose obedi hu dwuma e de ma wo mo.
In terms of developmental projects, we have worked in so many areas. We have evidence, we have achievement book. The creator this assam also want Nima roads to be fixed before 2024, before I finish my work. And inshallah, the government will fix our roads very soon.
Yemfri ni mane yenkokpon kataban so yekwa kogine mo gbechele no manfo bi omo ho no mo se ayaresa bi e wonpotem ho no chip compound ketua bi ne wo ho se de kuro no tra na echeche no ama nipa na bunka ma fasa ayaresa bi ano so eso ma wonom na wo mo ogidie se kampanimfo kra no wo mo ahya ayaresa bi ase wo ho no mo a na nko bubu sesi asa brede wo se kampanimfo wi na time so mo manfo wo won so besi ne wo mo aso na jeje mo so obi yade a kise tema na asa shaman no de ko na nipa pi wo no mo a wanam kwaso kra won kodura resabia wonti wo srem penifo se sa resabia na wo si a wagya ne hono mo no o meto aso ne nso mo.
So it's very bad. Looking at the area, we don't have any government facility. Yeah, any facility bia has a bi any ha obi say be yare a dey be ko. Now from here to Ashawa na Temano, e far. If you go private, well economy e wo mu na say ha. Nyema boy
have people here who travel all the way from this place. The road is very bad, to be sincere with you. This place to work in Ashaiman, Tema, Accra, and no. Why? And pregnant women, the road is bad for them. They cannot. The pain. Imagine living in this remote area, Bechile, Soja Lane, and then traveling all the way when you are in labor, traveling all the way from here to Ashaiman Polyclinic to Tema General for delivery or something. It's so bad. In fact, the person may lose their life on the way. The traffic alone don't say it.
Abdul Rahim Yahaya Eye, Assemblyman, Ewo Bechele electoral area. What did you just say? On one cassette to an among Sebeya, Saya Resabia, or Shastia want to us one, or bet to me Ababisiama wonum. Then Sunyam, why Papa Bian, Sunin Emuno, or Becoso to one among Cossisse, and Penny for Barber to us so among
facility na yes, no, and to be complete, and to be cut. Said the bear, young Jokai Tintin say, ye quatama, as I say, healthcare, and to Yansa Edda, Yansa Yam I am.
Ghana phobia no sika Eda Gold Coast Fund Management ya sa sika krabia no egu no wo mo aye yekire na yekire no de kokopie mu e Security and Exchange Commission na wo kire se omo ogidie pass omo sika ne honom e na akwaka ya mpanifo atena so na wa bra omo ye yekire ni nyina wie ye no e no panyina wo no e na wakasa na se wodi eku akasa ma Security and Exchange Commission no enim Godwin ansa de nsam otudwa no wo kire se so obi gina baabi e kasa ye wo mo sika da Gold Coast Fund Management Ababa share Security and Exchange Commission for to enya no kre sika bia ni wonom akache se de omanfo adwene ye wonom.
I've heard about the allegations about 5.5 million which was approved by Parliament in 2021 for Black Shield customers, and I believe that our response has been very unequivocal and very clear in terms of who these monies were from. First and foremost, we wish to state that SEC doesn't hold on to any monies. We are not the agent in charge of managing the funds. Now, out of the 5.5 billion cedis that was approved for by Parliament for this purpose, it's important to note that it was for all affected investors of all 47 fund management companies and not just for Black Shield customers only. So far, the update we received from the agent is that 4.6 billion has so far been disbursed by the government of Ghana.
Abra Gold Coast Fund Management customers ede womo petition yen krata ede ma Security and Exchange Commission no ewie no openi ono na de customers ni ensem etudwa no Charles Nyame ede tudwa se
wa ma yati ase se o ma so petition ni mu na o mu hu ni se ya de hiade na anamo bi ase so mu tu fa ho enmanim ya ye bisa de no o betumi ede amaye no o betu sa anamo no
na che se ye chwe yi ene ehomwaye